Me no vex. Me vex. Yeah! The tree up on me yard, but one Ross limb stretch cross in a him yard. And I there so every sweet mango drop pan him side. Me should have fling goat shit over there, make him season it with my mango pulp. Jano, me want broke my hand pan him head back. Every day me there I water this tree with me sweat and me piss. And Max come disrespect. That boy Maximus gone too far now. You believe me, I have a thief back my own Ross mango with this bamboo set up. Even though me ask nice, him now want move him fence. And Jano me try, but me try and move the tree. And me I hear blasted rumors that he a sell me Ross mangoes. Ah! Me nah beg you, me selling, take it, or me give it to the next man with cash ready. Them mango sweeter than your baby mother promise. Take 2 buckets and stop chat. What am I hearing? Him selling me mango? Wait. Why the nice they beat up on the zinc? Me can't sell my mangoes in peace. Too much watchy. Too much su. Billy. Me would have fling mango, but me now want waste it. Take this rock instead. What this?
Loud of God. Every mango season,